Exploring through the eyes of local is the best way that one can travel, and Gully Tours is doing that while empowering the locals. From Bangalore's Chickpete to Mysore's royal streets to hidden markets across Karnataka, every walk, ride, and culinary trail uncovers stories often missed. Their Death by Dosa Walk in Chickpete reveals century-old market, silk weavers, and artisans, while their Mysore experience immerses traveler in heritage, food, and craft. Each tour is co-created with communities, artisans, women chefs, storytellers. So every encounter supports local livelihoods, revives dying art, and fosters a deeper connection to India's living culture.
India is in the cusp of change, and I do believe our stories from the past of our history, culture, and heritage can really inspire us to contribute to this growth. And I do believe at Gully Tours, we'll be focused more on learnings from our past that will help the next generation contribute to India's growth journey.
Gully Tour is changing the narrative of travel being about sightseeing to exploring India with locals responsibly and meaningfully.